Here at the Goodwill Impact Center, they do more with your donations than you might realize. So much more. Whatever doesn't get purchased at other locations probably ends up here, and either it gets purchased here or they turn it into something new. Like this, and these. In fact, more than 10,000 kilograms of furniture is diverted from our landfills each year. And 10,000 kilograms of textiles are recycled into something new instead of going to the landfill. They could be turned into many things. And that's not all. Goodwill helps create meaningful employment opportunities for Albertans with disabilities all over the province. Like these guys.
You type in the mayor of Goodwill, I'm on it.
So when you make your next donation to Goodwill, you're helping some amazing causes. Everything and every person finds a purpose here at Goodwill.